G'day, Mark Pesce here, author of Augmented Reality, Unboxing Tech's Next Big Thing. So what we're going to see is an evolution very quickly from the very large HoloLens that I was wearing in yesterday's video to something that looks a lot more like what we'd call augmented reality spectacles or mirror shades, which will look a lot like the pair of sunglasses that I'm wearing now, but they'll be loaded with computers and electronics and display systems. We can see a relatively early version of this in Facebook's Project Aria, which they're now releasing on a development basis to certain testers so they can get a sense of how they can do SLAM and map spaces out with the devices. Now that's the cameras pointing outward to map the space, but another very important feature of the device is that the cameras also point inward. Now, why would you have cameras pointing inward? Well, the Facebook Project Aria project actually does gaze tracking. It can track where your eyes are looking. It can track where your eyes are looking so that it can actually render, that is, draw the parts that you're most interested in, but it also means that it is recording the things that you are most interested in. You can think of this as analogous to what happens when you use the Facebook app. The Facebook app is constantly checking to see how long you're on a particular story, whether you share it, what your response is to it emotionally, and so augmented reality displays will also be doing that, but they'll be doing that by looking at your gaze. And here's the thing, the gaze is very revealing because the gaze actually tells you the things that you're honestly interested in, not the things that you say you're interested in or the things that you believe you're interested in, but your eye follows your heart. And so wherever you look, that's who you are. Find out lots more about this in my book, Augmented Reality, Unboxing Tech's Next Big Thing.